For law number 4, a to the power of 0 will give the answer is 1. Which means any number that power of 0 will equal to 1. For example, 100 to the power of 0, the answer is 1. 1 over x to the power of 0, the answer is 1. No matter what is the number is, when it have the power of 0, the answer is 1. 1 and then 286 to the power of 0 is 1. For law number 5, a to the power of 1 will give the answer is a, which means any number that power of 1 will equal to the number itself. For example, 8 to the power of 1, the answer is the number itself, which is 8. pq to the power of 1 is like p to the power of 1 and q to the power of 1, which gives the answer is pq. So it's the same when we take the number itself. So like this is x over y, and then this one is 1000, this one is p over q. So basically, law number 4 and number 5 is just that you have to remember any number that is power of 0 will equal to 1, and any number that is power of 1 will give the answer of the number itself back. For law number 6, a to the power of negative n equals to 1 over a to the power of n, which means any number with negative index can be explained by this law. For example, 6 to the power of negative n. So, by following the law, we put 1 over, and then the a we replace it by 6, and the negative symbol will be missing, but don't forget to put the power. The second example is x to the power of negative 3. So the answer will be 1 over x to the power of 3. And then the third one is y to the power of negative 1 over 2. So we will put 1 over y to the power of 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is same to the square root. So we replace it by 1 over square root of y. For law number 7, a to the power of 1 over n equals to n root of a, which means if the number have fraction index, this law can explain the express. For example, 27 to the power of 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 we transform it to the cube root, and we put 27 inside the root. So cube root of 27 is equals to 3. Next, 9 to the power of 1 over 2. So we transform the 1 over 2 into the square root. So we put the 9 into the square root. So square root of 9 is equals to 3. And the third example is 125 to the power of 1 over 3. So cube root of 125 is equal to 5. For law number 8, a to the power of m divided by n equals to n root a in bracket m. Let's look at some example. 8 to the power of 2 over 3. So by following the law, we will replace it into this term. Okay, so the base we will put in the root, the bottom of the fraction will be put inside the bracket, and the top of fraction we will put the outside of the bracket. So cube root of 8 is 2 to the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So this is the final answer. Next, 256 to the power of 3 over 4. So same, we will put the whole number here and the bottom one inside, the top one outside. So 4 root of 256 is 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. Next, 6 to 5 to the power of 3 over 4. So same one, 6 to 5. The bottom one inside, the upper one outside. So 4 root of 6 to 5 is 5. 5 to the power of 3 is 1 to 5. So this is the final answer. For law number 9, AB in bracket to the power of m equals to a to the power of m, b to the power of m. For example, 4y in a bracket to the power of 3. So we take each value in this to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3, y to the power of 3. So 4 to the power of 3 will give you answer 64 and y over 3. So this is the final answer. Second example, 9x squared in a bracket to the power of half. So we have two terms here. Both of this term will power to the 1 over 2. So 9 to the power of 1 over 2 and x squared times 1 over 2. So 2 and 2 can be cancelled and this one will be 1. 9 1 over 2, as I said just now, 1 over 2 is same to the square root. So we change it to the square root of 9 x. So square root of 9 will give 3. So this is the final answer. So the third one is 27 y to the power of 6 in bracket to the power of 1 over 3. So we have two terms also here. So the first term is 27 to the power of 1 over 3, and the second term is y 6 times 1 over 3. So 6 and 3 can be cancelled, will be 2. So this one we change to the cube root. So cube root of 27 and y square. So cube root of 27 is 3 and y square will remain the same. So it will be the last answer. For law number 10, a to the power of p times b to the power of q in bracket to the power of n equals to a to the power of p times n times b to the power of q times n. Let me show you some example. 3 square times 4 square in a bracket to the power of 2. So this one is a single term. So and it have their own power. Therefore, by following the rule, only the power will be times. So it will be like this: 3 2 times 2 times 4 2 times 2. So the final answer is 3 to the power of 4 times 4 to the power of 4. Next, p to the power of 5 times q to the power of 2 in a bracket to the power of 3. So be 5 times 3. Only the power will be times. Next is Q2 times 3. So the final answer is P15 times Q6. The third example is 2x times 3y squared in a bracket to the power of 3. As we can see, we have here two terms. Therefore, each terms must be, the power must be multiplied by the outside power. So, bear in mind that this one have its power is 1. So 1 times 3 will be 2 to the power of 3 x to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3 and y, because it have 2 here, so 2 times 3. So the final answer is 2 to the power of 3 will give you 8. And then we continue, x cubed times 3 to the power of 3 will give you 27, and then y 6. So this will be your final answer.
Now that you've reached the end of this video, we hope that it was in some ways helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to share it with your friends, and do forgive us if we lack in any ways. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment down below if you have any other video suggestions that you'd like to see, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.